Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a work item template for your work items in your projects and on workspaces in the Plane project management application. So let us dive into this. All right, guys. So for this method, you will need to access your project settings inside your account on Plane. So navigate to workspace first. After that, navigate to this gear icon in the bottom left. And here, navigate to the workspace settings, and below you will see the templates section under features. Click into it, and here start creating your first template. Select work item template from that list below, and this option will give you the opportunity to create a new work item template so that you may now or later, use it for your work items in your project and your boards and customize these. So let me give it a name, like for example, example work item or something like this, and you may describe it below 1, 2, 3, and assign also a project here. So let me go with this project. You may describe the work item even more here, describe it even more in this. As you can see, you can describe it actually quite detailed. So let me skip all of that, guys. You may also set these default properties, like for example the state, the priority, the assignee, labels, modules, and even assign default work items to that template. So if you would like to work with a work item template that already has a sub-work item, you can do that here as well by clicking into this plus button. Let us skip this for now. You may also assign a work item type, for example, by clicking into this button and select one of your custom work item types and confirm the creation of the template here. And that's it. After that, your work item template will be listed here. You may use it, for example, and create a new work item based on your template. As you can see, it will have already your default or templated text and description and all of these properties we just talked about. So guys, that's it. That's how you create your work item template in Plane Project Management app. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.